Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We got a really cool video today. We got our hands on a Z Grill. They are running this crazy promotion. Check out this Z Grills 700D3. Man, this thing has everything. It's got Wi-Fi, stainless steel shelf, stainless steel heavy duty casters, and we got a cover that came with it. Z Grills has this deal going on right now with the 700D3 where you buy one grill, you get 10 more, and we wanted to test it out. So the deal is you pay $777, you get the Z Grill 700D3, and then you get one more every 5 years. Replacement. Man, I don't know. This thing, I think it's going to last a lot more than 5 years. I don't know what I'm going to do with another one. So this thing showed up on our doorstep, and we got the doorbell camera, and watching the guy try and manhandle this box up onto the deck, I thought that this thing can't be that heavy, and I actually had to grab a dolly to bring it out to the garage to build it. It's really heavy duty. This is really thick stainless steel. This isn't that chintzy stuff. Look at all the room for activities. I was worried about it at first, but looking at this, I can definitely fit 2 turkeys on here. We're going to do that for Thanksgiving this year. We'll have one of those episodes coming up, how to spatchcock a turkey, but this is going to work really great this year for Thanksgiving. So that was always the problem with the other smokers, is that it goes up in increments of 25. This, you can set it in 5s. You can get as exact as you want to get for temperature setting. That's crazy. And it goes all the way down to 160. A lot of the other ones, they don't go down past 190. Look at that. And the assembly was really easy. We're going to test it out with some chicken wings today. Yeah. This is going to be really good. All right, we got a bunch of wings here. We are going to coat them today with some olive oil. We don't know, in the past we've shown you that we do them with mayo, and that works great. I'm going to try something different today. A little bit of olive oil. All right, now that we got some olive oil over all this, we're going to season it with the Blues Hog Sweet and Savory. There you go. There we go. All right, so we got the grill fired up, 400 degrees. It's holding temp. We are going to throw our chicken wings on for about an hour, and then they're going to be fall off the bone and crispy skins. It's going to be great.
Ooh, first thing going on.
All right, wings are on. We'll see you in an hour. All right, it's been about an hour, and these things are looking really good. Check this out. Sorry, it's a little dark out. Look at those.
Ooh.
Yeah. So we're going to get these pulled off, put in a bowl, and cover them with these and throw them back on for another 10 minutes. All right, we got the Everyday Essentials Buffalo Wing Sauce, and this is going over. We got about half a jar left here. That's what's going to cover these, man. Oh, man, those smell great.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to pour these back on. Another 5 or 10 minutes, we'll pull them off and give them a taste test. But I wanted to show you guys what we're smoking them with today, because, you know, usually I use the competition blend. When we got our Z Grill, they sent us some cherry pellets. So we've never tried the cherry flavored pellets before, so this is going to be a first for us. I'm anxious to see how it tastes. So let's talk about the big picture here, guys. The big picture is you buy one of these grills, you'll get 10 of them for free. And it's transferable. So if you wanted to gift your next grill to, you know, a friend or a relative, you could definitely do that. It's a $100 shipping charge, or if you pick it up yourself, you don't have to pay the shipping charge. It's a pretty fantastic deal.
But you don't get all 10 at once, right?
No, you don't get all 10 at once. They're spaced out over the next 50 years, so one every 5 years, which is great. And the grill itself comes with a 3-year warranty, so you're covered on that grill for 3 years anyways. Look at that.
They look delicious.
Hey.
You're ready.
Yeah, you better film this because...
yeah, I know, it happens so fast.
It does. These smell amazing, and this smells amazing.
They look hot.
That's perfect. The Z Grills did a great job on these. I like this better than the male version. And you don't have to flip them every 15 minutes. This was really good. Well, there you go, guys. Z Grills. It was great to build it. It was really easy to use. Really easy. Turn it on, hit smoke, set your temperature, and I really like that it goes up in 5-degree increments. That is fantastic. One other thing, if you guys couldn't tell, it's really, really windy up here today. We didn't even put our garbage cans out because they're going to tip over, and it's maintained heat really well. I didn't even put a blanket over it. Thanks for cooking chicken wings with us today on our brand new Z Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this with us, check them out. Put some over here.